Luxury EVs aren't just fast, they're smart. AI-driven interiors are transforming the driving experience. Advanced voice assistants understand natural language and anticipate your needs. Massive, intelligent screens, like Mercedes' Hyperscreen, learn your habits and keep your favorite features front and center. The car suggests calls, playlists, or climate settings based on your routine. AI manages everything from navigation to air quality, making the cabin seamless and intuitive. The goal: reduce distractions, automate the small stuff, and let you focus on the drive. Your car becomes a digital concierge, always adapting to you. It's intelligence that disappears into the background. The future of luxury is personalized, proactive, and effortless. The car knows you, sometimes better than you know yourself. The new luxury isn't just about opulence, it's about responsibility. High-end buyers now demand ethical sourcing and sustainable materials. Vegan leathers, recycled fabrics, and responsibly sourced wood are redefining premium interiors. Brands like Polestar and BMW are leading with innovative, eco-friendly materials. Designers are embracing new textures and finishes that feel modern and responsible. Transparency and environmental stewardship are now part of the luxury equation. Buyers want their cars to reflect their values, inside and out. Sustainable luxury is no longer optional, it's expected. The best interiors are as green as they are gorgeous. For the next generation, luxury and sustainability are inseparable. 2025 is the year luxury EVs become the new standard. Performance, technology, and sustainability are converging at a breathtaking pace. Whether you want a track monster, a rolling lounge, or a tech powerhouse, there's an EV for you. These cars have character, soul, and are pushing the industry forward. The innovation is relentless, and we've only scratched the surface. Which model or tech do you want a deep dive on? Let me know in the comments. The future is fast, quiet, and electrifying for car enthusiasts everywhere.